Well, hello everybody. This is the Big Pauly video blog coming to you this 20th of June 2011, and today I thought I would talk a little bit, once again, haven't talked about it in a few weeks, about the Casey Anthony trial going on in Orlando, being watched very closely over here in the Tampa Bay area because the jurors are from Pinellas County. Pinellas County being Clearwater, St. Petersburg area. Tampa is in Hillsborough County, for those of you who live outside of Florida and kind of curious about all of that. They are starting what was to be one of the winding down weeks of this trial. The defense has the case now, and what has happened over the past couple of days has been a total farce. When Judge Belvin Perry, issued a ruling before the trial that anybody who testifies has to submit reports to what they are testifying to, so there are no last-minute surprises. They have to say that they're going to talk about X and Y and not talk about Z. And what happened on Saturday is the defense attorney, Jose Baez, got admonished for doing exactly that, filing a report, and then testimony proceeded that was not based on the report. Judge Perry admonished Jose Baez on Saturday, and to an extent that is exactly what happened today. It has derailed any jury testimony from occurring on today, Monday the 20th of June, and Judge Perry repeated his admonitions to both sides and basically said that he's going to refer attorneys to the Florida bar if this keeps up, among other things. To me, this is an admission that Jose Baez does not have a case for Casey Anthony, and they're just playing stall ball to try to get a mistrial, to try to sensationalize the trial to the point where it turns into a total farce. And that's exactly what is happening. The judge is also talking about excluding witnesses from testimony, which very, very rarely happens, but could happen in this trial because the defense is just making a mockery out of the whole deal. I think that Baez has no case. I think that he's just trying to stall, trying to get something out instead of a loss. And at the rate he's going, he's not only going to lose this trial for Casey Anthony, and probably Casey Anthony has a good case for saying that she did not get a proper defense, but he could get disbarred, and it's that simple. So that's my little report on what's been going on in the Casey Anthony trial. I think a lot of people have been, this is probably one of the closely watched trials in America since the O.J. Simpson trial, the first criminal trial, which took most of 1995 up. Of course, he had a second civil trial, which he lost a few years later. And then in 2007, he got himself involved in that robbery at the Palace Station Casino and Hotel in Las Vegas, off of Sahara Avenue. And he was finally convicted for good and put away. It's like kind of watching WOFAT, the old Hawaii Five-0. In the final episode, Jack Lord, playing Steve McGarrett, finally gets a hold of WOFAT and puts him away. But anyway, I'm digressing, and there's no need to digress. This has been today's Big Pauly video blog of the 20th day of June 2011. I will catch you again another time. Bye-bye.